We're here at Food Network Studios seeing if we can taste the difference between soda brands. Allison, do you think you can?
I think I can tell the difference between Coke and Pepsi. Everything else, probably not.
I don't know about you, Lazarus, but I don't drink soda.
Really?
So I'm thinking you're gonna win.
I'm a little nervous. I stopped drinking soda about 5 years ago.
Completely?
Yes.
Okay.
I actually don't drink a ton of soda, but every now and then I want some fizz in my life.
I was only allowed to drink soda at home on Fridays. It was pizza day.
Okay.
So my mom let us have soda then. And then until then, that was it.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna really rock this challenge then.
I'm gonna kill it.
But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network right there below.
I already know this is Pepsi, just from smelling it.
The Coke smell is pervading.
This one over here?
The right one's
Yeah.
Pepsi.
Yeah.
Oh, that smells like
That's Coke. That's Pepsi. This is easy.
Wow, it's so much more fragrant than Coke.
It's so good.
The taste difference is so slight. And I have never had them one after the other like that. I know people are gonna disagree because I've seen people take a sip of what they're told is Coke
There's a distinct
and they're like,
difference.
ugh,
There is
that's
a distinct difference.
Pepsi, but they're very similar.
I think Pepsi is a little bit sweeter. It has like
It has more bite.
Yeah, it has like a distinct taste that I'm very into.
Me too.
You're changing your mind? What? No. Wait. Is this how they were given?
I think this is how
So
they were
then
given. One
I
had
would
significantly
recommend-
less more.
You're correct! Yeah! Lazarus, you're right.
Ah, heck.
Hey.
This is the same thing again?
Mug and Barks. What's that?
Did you spell Pepsi and Coke wrong?
Barks.
Beer.
Root
Beer.
Of course it's root beer.
I've never heard of Naga Barks.
Root beer.
Not your favorite?
I hate root beer.
Really?
Oh.
It's my dad's favorite.
Oh. It tastes like cough syrup.
Tastes like liquid toothpaste.
Yum.
I have no
Okay, I
clue.
like this one better than I like this one.
Which one you like
I like
better?
this one.
So maybe we'll say this is your dad's favorite.
Maybe.
I'm gonna keep them in this order. I
I'm
have
gonna
no
leave it.
idea. I actually have no idea. But they do smell and taste different. I'm not familiar with the brands.
You got it! Yeah! Woo! Lazarus, you're correct.
I knew it.
Sprite versus Sierra Mist.
Ooh, this I think is Sierra Mist. Already, without tasting it, but I'm gonna.
The one on the left is Sprite.
Yes.
And then this one, it's almost like a diluted version of this. It's
I
like,
think this one's fruitier.
I'm going with you
I
on
actually
this.
can't tell by taste, but smell.
The smell.
They
This has a
taste
very
the same.
distinct
I
smell.
know.
we disagree again.
Yeah.
Lazarus,
Oh
you're right.
What? How is this happening?
You got it. Yeah! These are easy. Come on, give us something hard. All right.
no! Yay, I've had Sunkissed before.
I'm actually surprised that they can get the same color.
It's the same exact color.
I know.
Oh, that is fresh, I think. Sunkissed. I think this is Sunkissed.
I agree with that.
Let's go with it.
don't
I'm not
know.
100%. I'm not confident on this
Now
at
I'm
all.
nervous. I don't want to ruin my perfect score.
I'm hoping for a shutout. And if I get like only one right, that would be more disappointing to me than getting none of them right.
Or should we just do like that?
Just to keep it interesting.
Lazarus, you got it.
What? No way.
You got it.
Yeah! All right.
This
Wow.
looks like every time there's like a nuclear explosion in a cartoon, this
Looks
is
like,
like
flubber.
yeah,
dissolved.
yes, this is like what comes out of the can of. Wow.
I've never heard of Surge.
Oh my God, it's like the '90s version of Mountain Dew. Well,
I'm too young.
great. Here we go. Cool.
I've had Mountain Dew before, let's see. That's good.
I mean, I've
Oh.
never seen soda this color, so this has Surge.
I think this is Surge. Yeah, this is Mountain Dew.
It tastes like lemon powder.
This really doesn't taste like anything. It just reminds me of my youth, which I'm gonna say just because of the color and the taste, yeah. I think we're right. You're right. Yes. Lazarus, you're right.
What? No.
They
I
look
love ginger
exactly
ale.
the same.
Ooh, Schweppes. I know Schweppes.
Oh, this is hard. This is one I don't want to get wrong because I really like
I
ginger
love-
ale.
I-
But I'm a Canada Dry fan.
Me too.
Over.
Tastes like the nurse's office,
Wow.
you know?
I didn't like that at all.
I think the one on the right might be Canada Dry. Ooh, they get Schweppes.
I don't know. I gotta try
Uh-oh.
again.
I'm gonna be very upset if I get this wrong, and I'm probably just gonna
Okay.
toss the soda all over
that
the
last
tablecloth.
sip. That last sip. Switch me.
This tastes more familiar to me.
Uh-oh, we agree.
You got it! Yes! Perfect score. We both got it.
That's a good one to
That's
end
crazy.
on.
That was great.
Good job.
Good job, partner. You know what I did? I was trying to match the names to like what I experienced in the flavor. So like if something tasted like bright and sunny and like fruity to me, I thought, oh, Sunkist, that would be named Sunkist. It's not because I actually like drink a lot of it.
That's where I'm seeing my strategy went wrong, because I was like, oh, bright, sunny Schweppes.
Well, I'm super proud of us.
Me too.
We nailed it. 6 out of 6. Perfect score. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. And if you want to see us try something new on Taste Test, let us know in the comments below.